Hello everyone, today we are comparing Motorola Moto Pad 60 Pro, Lenovo Idea Tab Pro and Xiaomi Pad 7. Let's see this full video. First compare the body features. Display features. Moto Pad 60 Pro and Lenovo Idea Tab Pro come with 12.7 inches IPS LCD display, and the Xiaomi Pad 7 comes with 11.2 inches IPS LCD display. Next, compare the hardware features. Xiaomi Pad 7 is powered by the Snapdragon chipset, and the Motorola Moto Pad 60 Pro and Lenovo Idea Tab Pro comes with MediaTek chipset. Camera features. All three tablets come with 13 megapixel rear camera and 8 megapixel front camera. Let's compare the battery features. Next, compare the sound and other features. These devices include studio speakers, Bluetooth 5.3 and Wi-Fi. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.